So I had shoulder surgery, and this hand I can do only this. Basically, I've had a nerve block in my neck, so the whole right side is basically nothing for the next several days. I can't even lift the arm. It is basically I can do that one thing. So I thought this would be an opportunity to apply some extreme empathy and see if I could video game. So I've got a Xbox adaptive controller here, and I thought, I'm gonna figure out how I can use my left hand plus this to play a game. So first, I need to configure it, and I'm gonna make I think I'm gonna have the foot pedal be on the right, and then aiming be another foot. I'm gonna pair it with this other controller. So I'll walk with my left, shoot with my right. Here, I've configured the two big buttons to be right trigger and left trigger, and I should be able to lift this hand up. I should be able to shoot with that hand. Now next, I'm going to turn on Copilot, which will let me use a controller and this, or let one of my kids aim and I'll shoot. This is still pretty amazing. If you were disabled or differently abled and you needed a way to use your Xbox, this is unquestionably it. In this case, I'm using Copilot, so I'm moving with this and I'm firing and aiming with this. Of course, I can attach other attachments and I can set up knees if I wanted to. But this is going to be a godsend for the next week or so as I wait for this nerve block to wear off. Definitely an exercise in empathy and compassion.